Hi, my name is John Walter. I'm the Vice President of Auto Repair here at AAA. And right now is a great time to come join our team. It is a great place to work with excellent pay, great benefits. But hey, don't take my word for it. Let's talk to some of the team members.
While I was in the military, I was a truck driver and decided to go to the civilian side as an automotive technician. I chose AAA because it had more integrity than, say, a dealership, and I had the chance to work on a multitude of different vehicles.
From the moment I saw the sign, AAA having the auto repair, I knew that it was a company that I wanted to work for. It widely known nationwide, the most trusted towing company that there is. I knew there'd be a lot of business there.
I chose to work for AAA because I heard it's a very good company. They have great benefits, really good pay. Figure I might as well try it, and 7 years later, we're still here and we're still loving it.
What brought me to AAA was the culture. I wanted to work for a company that had a high integrity and a long retention rate. AAA also has a great name in the business. I was very attracted to coming to work for a brand like AAA, and my 2 years in so far, it's all lived up to my expectations. It's been great to work here.
Well, with AAA, we definitely promote within. I'm the poster child for that. I started off here in auto repair as an automotive technician. Then I went into training, and then from there I became a field rep for a couple different business lines, and then I came back to this location and I'm the manager here.
AAA is great to start working if you're a new tech or if you're an experienced tech. It doesn't really matter. They give you that opportunity for advancement. I've seen service advisors move up to management. I've seen managers move up to area managers.
I feel very comfortable knowing that AAA recognizes me as an individual and my skill set, and will look to further my career as much as I do.
The benefits, the pay structure, and everything with AAA was something that was meant for me.
Working at AAA is a lot better than anywhere else. They got great benefits, 401k match up to 6%, healthcare, dental.
We get paid holidays. We get personal time. Your vacation time grows as the longer you've been here.
We always want people to be refreshed and energized, and we offer competitive vacation, I think, unlike any other company that's out there in the same field.
We definitely offer training, but we also do tuition reimbursement, which is huge.
The great thing about working at AAA is the ASE certifications that they allow you to take and compensate you for.
I love AAA. It's a great place to work, and they give you the support that you need to be successful. I wouldn't want to work anywhere else.
You're gonna feel like family. You're not just gonna feel like an employee working with AAA.
If you're the type of person that's driven, that has goals, and you want to accomplish things, and you want to be with a company for a long time and establish yourself, you can achieve as much as you want to achieve, and you're supported by the organization and leadership. So I don't think that there's a better place to work in North America.
If you're looking for a great career with great opportunities, come work for AAA. We'd love to have you on our team.